Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey. Today I'm gonna show you some of my blooming orchids. I don't have many orchids in bloom at this moment as they are in the recovering stage after 2 years of neglecting. But I do have some and I'm gonna show you guys today. So this is the first one in bloom. I just got this orchid recently. And this is the older flower spike, and this is the new flower spike just growing in this month. The flower is very cute. It has a darker edge on the pebble and is twisted and go in the center a lighter purple color, and the lip is become darker again. This is a newer flower. The name of this orchid is Dendrobium blue sees blue twinkle, and it actually have another canes growing in the back. It's not a big orchid. Compared to my other cat, it's not that big. The flower is not that big either, but it's just so cute with the twist in each pebbles. It's actually more purple color than blue color in my opinion. I just love this one. It's so pretty. Hey Scarlett. Say hi. Here's my bloomed Oncidium orchid. I don't really know the ID. When I got the orchid, the owner has no ID on it, so he didn't even know what kind of Oncidium it is. But it's a very beautiful one. I was shocked to see the flower as I didn't expect it this beautiful. It has a darker orange edge, and then when it goes to the center, it's become lighter, and the lip is actually yellow color. If you see from the back side, you really can see the darker edge and then the lighter center. It has tons of flower on this flower spikes. It actually have another flower spikes coming out. I just found out this spikes about a week ago, and at the same time it's growing one new shoot bulb and then another one. So it's a vigorous plant, and the bulb is really big too. It's a big plant, but just look at these flowers. It doesn't have a fragrance. It's just so beautiful. Let's see. Here is my Tetraspis, the Grinch Orchid, I believe. I'll put the name on the screen. It just finished its last blooms, but I'm gonna put a picture on the screen so you can see how beautiful the flower is. This is a very big flower. I think I had this one for about 2 years now. Look at the new leaf, it's so shiny, so pretty, and it just have tons of flower spikes. It keeps growing flowers. I even get flower from it during the winter time. But it's definitely a very beautiful flower species. Here ends my June orchid blooming video. As you can see, I only have 3 orchids bloom this month, but I will have some more blooming for next month. As you can see, there are some is growing buds, about growing buds. So if you like this video, please click thumb up, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.